Alright, so now that we have all this stuff, let me get rid of some of these other viewports that I don't really want or need. If I have my drawings as is, I probably want to label them, give it a name, like this is floor plan, first floor plan or second floor plan, or elevation, west elevation, east elevation, whatever it is. So in order to do that, we do have the annotation set of commands. So this is kind of set up as a quick way to place your text in there. But before we do that, we might want to, well, gotta say AutoCAD has already set up a default text and everything for you. But if we want to do it formally, we would go into the Annotate tab. And then the Annotate tab will tell me that this text style is in a standard text style, sorry, and it is going to be 3/16 inch high. Okay, and this is going to be kind of interesting when we use both the paper space and the model space to annotate. But there are pull downs, which it tells me that scale, the use current layer and all that stuff. I don't really need that. What I really need is this corner part right there, the expansion. So this, if I click on that corner right there, it's going to get me a dialog box that says my standard, or the text style and my standard style, or the style that it's in is called standard right now. The font is called Arial, regular font style and all that, and this is a little preview of it. Okay. You can always change this, and some people change it to some other stuff, but I usually like to make a new one. Just keep the standard as is. If I need to go back to it, go to this new button right here and select new. You can name the style anything that you want. So let's just say, I don't know, style, let's just keep it as style 1, but you could rename it if you want. I usually like to rename the style as the name of the font. Okay, so yeah, maybe I'll do that. So let's select, what we're going to do is, let me find the font that I want. Segoe. Okay, so I'm going to select new, Segoe, and then OK. So the Segoe, it just created that file, or created that style right there, and I'm going to set the font name to, or not the font name, the font style already. Find Segoe. I should have selected UI, huh? Okay, well, let's just do that. So it's a little bit lighter version of the standard, which is Arial. So right here where it says annotate, don't check that, height, just keep it as 0. Okay, we'll set the height in its space. If you change this, it's going to screw things up in both model space and the layout space. So once I have that, I will apply and close. Right now, it is, my font style is set to Segoe. So you have a choice. You could always flip back to any one of the styles that you want. Segoe, standard. It is going to still come in at 3/16 inch. Okay. So that is how we'll set a new font style.